close.
It's alright.
I was like, I was so really there. Chrissy, with me. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Chrissy. Come on, Chrissy, this way. This way. Hi everybody and welcome back to Wonky Candles channel. This week you may have noticed we've moved to a different location. We're here at the Wonky family house. It's actually where Wonky Candles very first started, from this very room that we're in. So this week we're going to be making our Royal British Legion and our War Paw candle, as you can see in front of me here. Now, as you may know, Wonky Candles does a lot with charities, and over the last 2 years we've raised over £18,000 for charities and good causes. Each year we like to support the Royal British Legion in as many ways as possible, and that one of them being the poppy appeal. But this year we decided to go one further and introduce another candle. We've introduced our purple poppy. The purple poppy will be donated to the... So close.
It's alright to start from the purple poppy because that
As soon as I said purple, I have no idea where I'm going now.
Yeah.
This year we've decided to introduce a new candle, the purple poppy candle. £1 from the proceeds of each candle sold will be going to War Paws, a charity that works with dogs and other animals being affected from the war. You can find out more about them in the link below. So let's get cracking and let's start making one of those candles, shall we? To start off with, again, we need all the equipment that we've got in front of me here. If you haven't seen these, why not go and check out some of our other videos and see if you can find them. So I'm going to start by wicking up the jar. I'm just going to move this out of the way so that you guys can all see a bit better what's going on the camera. So I'm going to wick that like that. I'm going to pop it into the jar and then just going to push it down like so, and then we're going to apply a wick holder to it. There we go, there's that. Now I've already pre-weighed out the wax that we need for this video, and it's melting down in the hob like so, so I can show you. It's basically nearly melted already. So the only other thing we need to do is we need to weigh out the fragrance. There we go, I'm just going to weigh out the fragrance that we need. There we go. And then we're just going to pour this directly into the there we go, and then we're just going to give that a quick stir around. There we go. So we're just stirring this around, as we can see here. Now, why 2 charities, you may ask? We always do the Royal British Legion each year, but this year, obviously, as I said, we decided to introduce the War Paws ones. As you may have noticed, I'm a bit of a fan for dogs and animals as a whole. So we thought it would be fitting to try and help both the Royal British Legion and also War Paws, because of what work they do as well. So the wax is all melted, so let's get pouring. Now don't forget, the Remembrance candle is available on the website if you'd like to go and purchase one yourself. So let's just get this all the water off of here for it. And here we go. So we're going to pour it all in one. Like that, there we go. And we're going to let that set for a little while. And once it's set, it will end up like these 2 candles are here. These are available again on the website if you'd like to purchase one, or if you'd just like to leave us a comment or share any of the posts that we put on about the Royal British Legion or the War Paws posts, that's just all as good as just purchasing one as well. Whilst we're waiting for the candle to set, I thought I'd introduce you to some of the fairy friends that we have here. No, you're not going to do it. Come on. That's it. Good girl, there you go. We chose to go with Paws because, as you can see, we're a household full of dogs. This is Christy here. She used to be a guide dog in training, but unfortunately didn't make it, so we kept her. So that's one of the main reasons that we chose to go with Paws. So Christy would have had quite a lot of training to go through. Unfortunately, she didn't make it through the training, but one of them would be the basic sit, stay, wait for your food, and then when crossing the road, making sure that it's safe to do so. Unfortunately, as I said, Christy didn't make it, which is why we kept her. But she still knows a lot of these things, apart from she just doesn't help us with crossing the road. However, being able to help the likes of guide dogs and things like that has meant that we are able to appreciate how dogs and other animals help people such as me who maybe can't see properly.
Is that why she didn't get through it?
No, she had doggy IBS. That's why she didn't get through. That's not the reason that she just decided to get off the sofa. Thanks for that, Christy. So now we've met Christy and she's seen how lovely she is, I hope that inspires you to get behind our campaign with Paws and with the Royal British Legion. Don't forget, all of the products are available online, and if you can't afford to buy the candle, you can always just leave us a comment, share any of our posts that we put on about it, and just tell your friends about it.